Oh, Grandy, what are you doing?
I am fixing the doorbell.
What?
My grandson broke it.
How did your so-called grandson break it? How come it wasn't you?
He threw a football at my house.
What was that again?
My house. He threw a football. The football.
What was
football.
that? Oh.
My house.
Oh.
Threw it.
Oh, where'd it hit?
The door he hit. And knocked the doorbell off of the door.
Oh.
See, Nancy. What's this for?
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to turn it sideways, people. Oh, hi! What's up? Woo, 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 woo. Look over there. Woohoo! There he is. What's up? Oh. Now watch this, people.
My grandson.
No, listen. Watch. Button. Now listen.
Grandson wants to die young, doesn't he?
If I die young... I dropped it.
You'll never see that again. You'll never be allowed to touch it.
Okay.
No. Some things parents and grandparents have to keep away from the grandkids.
At least show the camera.
I'm holding it, I can't even get the signal out.
Darn
I'm
it.
punching the button and I can't even get the signal out. What if I do this?
Green!
Look what you did! Look what you did! Give me that! Give me
I want to stick it on the door! I want to stick it on the door!
No! Oh, it takes a green towel to do that.
Oh, I'm going to tape it on the door.
Just going to knock Pepsi can over.
Nothing in it.
Go.
Give it!
There's always something in a Pepsi can. You
I
know that.
want to put it on.
No.
Why?
Broke my fingernail. Broke my fingernail.
Give me it. I
Show
want
my thumbnail where it broke.
Give me it. Let me see it.
Look, you want to see my thumbnail where it broke? You see my thumbnail where it broke?
Let me do it. Let me put it on.
No,
Why?
there's a certain way
I
it has
can do
to
it.
be done.
I can do it.
And you haven't passed that grade yet.
I can do it. Let me do it. Ow.
Fall.
Seriously, let me do
Look,
it.
fall.
Let me do it.
He
Does he
hasn't
have to graduate from college before
He won't let me put the
extremely
sticky on.
talented.
Let me put it on.
Man, call him out there and teach him how to cook or something for
Come
about
here,
10 minutes.
come here.
Here, honey. Now, here.
Yes.
Now, look.
Oh, apple dumplings.
Before we don't get closer pictures.
No.
There's a big fly when you come in.
No. Ow.
Go on.
Ow. Give me.
There's that daddy long leg.
There, cool.
We put a daddy long leg on a football and threw it back and forth.
Oh, goodness sake.
Yep.
Get him out of here now.
What are you doing to your baby?
He won't let me
Broke
put
my
the sticky thingy on.
thumbnail.
Let me put
Come
the
on,
sticky
guys,
thingy on.
get it together. You don't want those flies.
Let me put the sticky thingy on.
You put the sticky thing on yourself last night, remember?
Yeah, but then I took it off. I'll take your money.
Yeah, you always take my money. I tell everybody. No, I don't have any change because I have my grandson was there last night.
No. Oh, fine then. You gonna play like that? Lock you out. Heck, I just lock him out.
Baby, he has keys.
You're locked out now. That one's already locked. I gotta make sure the laundry room is locked. There we go. Don't let him in.
Why are you doing that to your grand? Talk to him.
Hi. Oh, dang, Natalie, he has his keys. Darn it, you have keys. I want to put it on.
No! Dead bless you, Brandon.
I want to put it on.
You better make sure it's perfectly straight. It's not straight now, I can see it.
Yes!
I can see the stuff above it.
You be blind. Yes, I got it. I accomplished
You
it.
did a terrible job. That's why I didn't want you to do it. You did a terrible job. He did a terrible job.
I kick you.
You did a terrible job.
See, you threw that on the ground. Now you gotta pick it up.
You did a
Pick it
terrible
up! Pick it up!
I'm mad at you.
Pick it up!
You did a terrible job.
I'm glad I did a terrible job. And I'm proud of it.
Oh, Brandy. Did you do okay or not?
I did horrible. We're ending this video in 3, 2,